Are you ready to take your design skills to the next level? Introducing a certification course in electric vehicle designing and manufacturing with CATIA V5. Get ready to unleash your creativity and master the art of 3D design with the industry-leading CATIA software. In this comprehensive course, you will dive deep into the world of engineering drawings, learning essential concepts such as angle of projection, types of views, and geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. Exploring advanced features like mirror, trim, extend, and learn to create complex solid models with ease. Discover the art of drafting, dimensioning, and symbol placement to create professional drawings. Learn assembly technique, kinematics, surfacing, and sheet metal design to expand your skill set further. But that's not all. Our course also includes an introduction to electric vehicle design, covering major components, battery types, motors, controllers, and charging systems. You'll explore vehicle dynamics, manufacturing process, and even work on designing a full functional golf cart. Join our expert instructors and industry professionals as they guide you through every step of the process. Develop your expertise and gain a competitive edge in the field of design and electric vehicle technology. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to enhance your skills and open doors to exciting career prospects. Enroll now in our electric vehicle designing and manufacturing with CATIA V5, a 4-week certification course. Together, let's shape a future of innovation and creativity. Thank you.